Welcome to 306 25 Amy Street, located in the heart of Winnipeg's iconic Exchange District, where historic charm meets modern low-maintenance living. This impeccably maintained 2-bedroom, 1.5 bathroom condo features an open concept layout with modern and stylish finishes throughout. In-suite laundry, underground parking, and so much more. Steps away from Waterfront Drive, riverfront walking paths, top local restaurants, breweries, theaters, and boutiques, this is city living at its best. Enjoy the tour. Thanks for watching. If you'd like more details about this property or to book an exclusive tour, reach out to us. We'd be happy to guide you through the process.